My name, as you know, is Karen Nurse. KNX Journey to Oneness is a program that helps people overcome emotional eating, negative mindsets, and work with them through physical fitness. So I'm actually going to start. Okay, so let me just kind of introduce myself. I'm the founder and CEO of KNX Journey to Oneness. It's a spirit-led program that helps connect the mind, the body, and the spirit through physical fitness, spiritual healing, um, let's see, uh, debilitating self-talk. Those are some of the things that you're going to be able to overcome. Since starting this program, I have come out with my first book called The Shift. So I'm officially a published author now. I've been doing some inspirational speaking. I'm a transformational coach, helping people to walk out of that place of feeling stuck, walk into that new place that God has for them. And we all do this through the leading of the Spirit. Okay, this is a very much Spirit-led program. And because it's a Spirit-led program, it might be different for each one of us. So although we might have a book, and everyone will be given a book as part of this program to walk through, it, the insight may still be very different because Holy Spirit is the one who walks each person through their own journey with Him. Okay?